Hello, my name is Taylor Smith, and this is my video explaining the rights that the parents have when their child is on an IEP. So the first one is just about confidentiality. So the school is required to protect the confidentiality of the student. This includes any type of personal information such as the child's name, address, birthday, personal characteristics, anything that shows anything about the child's identity is protected by the school. The next one is FERPA. So this is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. This is a federal law that gives the parents the right to have access to their child's educational records. And when the child turns 18, the rights go from the parent to the child, so they have those rights. The next one is the native language requirements. So parents must have everything be in their native language when they are communicating with the school. So if the school sends out any types of notices to the parents, it must be in their language. All notices also must be written in a way that general public is able to understand them. Also during meetings, parents have the right to request an interpreter. The next one is about participation requirements. So parents are required to participate in all the meetings that involve any type of decision making with their child's IEP. So the school must notify the parents in a timely manner so that they are able to have time and make arrangements to be at these meetings. Parents also have the right to participate in meetings that develop and review details about their child's IEP. The next one is consent to testing. Parents have the right to give or deny consent to the school to take certain actions when it comes to testing their child. This means that parents must be completely, fully informed with all information about what actions are being requested to take. Consent is required from the parents for schools to be able to conduct these testings on the students. The next one is about yearly expectations. So parents are expected to attend meetings every year. They're supposed to regularly go to these meetings, and the members of the IEP team may change from year to year, but the parents will be consistently going every year to these meetings. Next one will be prior written notice. So this just talks or refers to like the school must give written notice before taking or refusing any actions with their child. Notice must contain the services that are being provided or refused for the child, and they also must have an explanation as to why. And this is just a great way to ensure that parents are always informed about anything, like any changes that could be being made in the child's IEP. And then the last one is that parents have the right to due process. Due process is a legal and formal way to resolve any disputes or problems that may arise with the child in the IEP. So this is a last resort option, and it is a quite long process to go through. The parents or the school can be the ones to request a due process, but this is a legally binding document once an agreement is made, so this cannot be broken at that point. That is just a basic rundown of the rights that parents have when their child is on an IEP.